how to fix something went wrong in TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix something went wrong in TikTok Shop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the TikTok app on your mobile. Sometimes the issue may be temporary, so simply refresh the app or website wherever you are using the shop. Now, make sure that you have a stable internet connection because an unstable internet connection can also create issues in using TikTok Shop. Now, go to Settings and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Over here, scroll down and search for TikTok. Then tap on it. Now, tap on Offload app because sometimes offloading the app can also fix this issue. After that, go to the App Store and make sure that TikTok is updated to the latest version available. If none of the steps work, you may need to reach out the TikTok customer support. So open the TikTok app, tap on Profile. Over here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Support. Then tap on Help Center and let they know your problem. So that's how you can fix something went wrong in TikTok Shop. That's all for this video.